So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? In a set of 4 consecutive odd integers where the integers are ordered from least to greatest, the first integer is represented by x. The product of 12 and the fourth odd integer, which is x plus 6 times 12, is at most 26 less than the sum of the first and the third odd integers, which is x plus 4 minus 26, and the answer is A. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So unfortunately, it's one of these problems that we unfortunately have to read every single word of, so that's not a math, that's an English problem, but whatever. So we got 4 consecutive odd integers. Question is, what is consecutive? Well, typically consecutive integers is just 1, 2, 3, 4, etc., right? 5 and 6 and blah, blah, blah. But since we're dealing with odd integers, the first one is 1, then the second one is 3, then 5, then 7, then 9, etc. So the difference between the 2 consecutive odd integers is 2. That's important. Why? So we got 4 of these consecutive integers, and the first integer is represented by x. So if the first integer is x, let's just do like first integer, second integer, third integer, and fourth integer. So the first one is x, then the second one is going to be x plus 2. Why x plus 2? Because the difference between these 2 consecutive odd integers is 2. Third one, therefore, is x plus 4. And then fourth one is going to be x plus 6. So we just outlined the first 4 odd integers starting with x. Now, let's go through the second sentence. The product of 12 and the fourth odd integer. So we take an x plus 6, which is the fourth odd integer, and multiply this by 12, okay? Now, is at most 26 less than the sum of the first and the third odd integer. So let's do the sum of the first and third odd integer first. So the first one is x, and the third one is x plus 4. So the sum of them is just x plus 4. That's cool. And then is at most 26 less. So if you subtract 26, and then this is at most, so it has to be like this. It has to be less than. We pretty much have the answer. Now, look through the multiple choices to see how the answer is A. I'm not sure why on this problem in particular, they did not combine x and x plus 4. They should have done 2x plus 4 minus 26. In fact, they should have done 2x minus 22, right? And this should have been 12 times x plus 6, factored like that. So that would have been a much more difficult problem to respond to. They made it way more simple. The answer is A. That's it.